Hello guys, you need to learn to create something else like this, right? Let me show you. But first of all, don't forget to like, share and put to favorite. So this is what we are going to do, right? We are going to open ChatGPT and put our prompt about what we want to create, right? So this is where I was putting the prompt. Like I was telling ChatGPT, can you generate a prompt for me for a black woman so I can generate an image with Gemini. So here I was waiting for the prompt to come. So yeah, we was waiting here. So please don't forget to like this video, click the plus button and share this video with somebody else so they can find it helpful. And also don't forget to save it for later, so maybe you're not understanding, you can come back to it and learn how you can do it. So yeah, we was creating a video for a black woman who's cooking rice and chicken. I need to create a prompt there, so I was waiting for ChatGPT to finish everything for me. This is one of the most thing that is trending on your FYP now, right? Like a lot of people, they are creating this type of the video. So why are you waiting? Create something else like this and start earning money online. So here is our prompt, right? This is our prompt. What are we going to do, right? We are going to copy this prompt, right? So we copy this prompt, we go to Gemini. When we go to Gemini, right, we put our prompt. We need to create an image. We paste our prompt. So this is our prompt. We paste it, then we click, then it starts loading the image. So here we was waiting for our image to load. So be patient, the image is loading, right? So this is our image. We need to save it first before we create a video. So we are going to save it. Now it's downloading. So it's saved. Now we need to go to Grok. We go to Grok and put our image, the image we generate, right? Then we put our image, we click animate photo, then we put the photo, that one we create, right? After that, we are waiting for it to create a video. So it's generating a video, but I was having something else in mind. I was needing that video to be more professional, so I was writing something else there. This is so easy, guys. Everyone can do this and start earning money online. Don't think I'm stingy, right? I come with this idea to you. So here I was writing what I need that video to say. So this is our video. It's loading, right? It's loading. This is our video, but I'm still writing my prompt. I have something else in mind.
This is coming together beautifully. Look at that crispy chicken and fluffy rice. Just one final stir. This is coming together beautifully. Look at that crispy chicken and fluffy rice. Just one final stir. This is coming together beautifully. Look at that crispy chicken and fluffy rice. Just one final stir.
And here what it is here, it's coming the video, right? Because I was writing my prompt, guys. So this is the video number 2. I need my video to say, hello, welcome to my kitchen. So today we are cooking rice and chicken for you. You understand, right? So that's what I need you to say. When it's finished generating, you will hear it saying, welcome to my kitchen. And please, guys, don't forget to follow and like and also share this video with somebody else who think he or she can need this video to learn also how to create this video with AI. Let's make this money online together. This is the most of the one thing that is trending on your FYP now, even on Facebook, even on YouTube, even on TikTok. A lot of people, they are using AI to create videos and they are making money with it. You can make money with it while you are sleeping, so don't sleep on this. You can start creating your own video now, and when you create your video, right, don't forget to send it on the comment section so I can see how it looks. So this is our video, right? I hope this is helpful. So this is our video. Look at it and see how it is looking. I hope it can help you to start your own video and your own channel.
Hello, welcome to my kitchen. I'm cooking rice and chicken for you. Let me give this a stir to combine all the flavors. It's looking perfect. I can't wait for you to try it. Hello, welcome to my kitchen. I'm cooking rice and chicken for you.
See you next time in my
Let me give this a stir